getting older, we just didn't want fireplaces or log burners, so we chose underfloor heating, and it's been great. We spent a lot of time thinking about it, and it was my dear wife who really made the final decision. That's what we want, and that's what we've got. Our bill has gone down substantially, seriously, and I just looked at it, came through yesterday, and we normally was well into the 200s to 300, $180.54 was our last one, and we've been as warm as toast. I've seen the pattern, I study it, I watch it, I look at the graphs. I'm very, very confident that we're going to save a lot of money. With the wooden form all the way, and in the bedrooms, everywhere. Yeah, very, very good. And it's wonderful, bare feet, on the wooden floor, magic. We've been very, very happy, more than happy, and I'd thoroughly recommend Warmth. If someone knocked on my door and said, hey, what sort of system have you got, or a friend came, or relatives, I would honestly, on my heart, say go to Warmth first, and I'm sure you'll be very satisfied. We like the service, we like the people. Very refreshing, very honest, very straight. Did what they said they would do. Service, that's what it's all about.